guy laying down?
Mm-hmm. He's a director. He's just waiting for the movie to shoot the star. See the chair?
Yeah. What are those vehicles? Please.
Go down there.
Beach. What are they?
That's an outreach.
Outreach. They get to drive on
Sorry. Lonnie.
Yes.
You want to go down the pier?
Wait.
It's going to take a couple weeks.
Yeah, we.
Grab a couple.
Good handles.
Good.
Yeah, they're letting me free. I'm good.
Sure.
Yes. And then, do you mind taking a photo for her? Just for work photo?
Just for our immediate research. It's not going on for
Yeah.
Just holding up the can. Oh, I'm going to take this.
Yes. Okay. That's mine. Yeah. It's okay. Thank you.
May I have some?
Yeah, of course you
Thank you.
can. There you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you. Enjoy.
And to the right of those palm trees, that's where the roller skating scene was. And then another scene, if you recall in the film, where they go out and they change outfits and they come back really quickly. Right behind us, right where it says EBT, right behind there is a place that says Sun Lotion. That is where they filmed that. In fact, you get a little screenshot of that particular scene that was right in front of those trees. So they did actually come up right here as it was. One other thing I'll point out is about the canals. We'll talk a little bit more about the canals as we're getting over there in a few minutes. But if you look down, you see this blue paint. This is actually a map of what the original canal system used to be. There used to be more canals in LA. A lot of them are no longer there. I'll tell you about that as to why that is. But there would have been water, the canals went all the way down windward, meaning there would have been water all the way out here toward the ocean. There would have been a pier out here. That pier is no longer here, but this was an entertainment destination even before Santa Monica was. Today, there's also probably one of the most iconic things is the fact that out to the right, you can see where all those people are kind of hanging out. That is where they have a skate park. Venice skate park. The skateboarding was really popularized here in Venice and Santa Monica. That skate park is one of the more, probably the most famous place in the world that you can do for skateboarding. They all look kind of like empty swimming pools because, well, during the 1970s and the 80s when we had a lot of drought, people would drain the swimming pools and people would go in. Skateboarding is now officially an Olympic sport. So they're actually debating about where they would put the stadium, so it might be right over here. Where else? Why would they not want to do that? So the one thing I always wonder when I see the skateboarders, and they do some incredible tricks, I always wonder, do they have help? Probably not. So we're going to make our way down here in just a couple minutes, a brief restroom break. Grab a coffee.
take the picture? Oh. Thank you, my friend.
Look at me now. I'm ready. Look at me now. Yeah. Look at me now. Yeah.
Che bello. Che bello. Ah.
And actually, I know how to park there. It's not street parking, right? But it's
You're welcome.
there's public parking like for the shoppers.
Yeah.
So within 2 hours for free, which is enough time.
It's enough time, but I like to linger, you know.
Thank you.
Grab as many as you like.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Great to meet you. Thank you for doing that.
Nice. Everyone's so nice.
Yeah, I mean you are doing like charity God's work over here.
I mean, we try. We try.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you, darling.
Thank you.
What is good?
Guy had a hoodie on, riding a bicycle, and he was acting strange. I could tell that he was going to go down, but I didn't think he was going to pull a knife on me. But my car, I was renting a Mercedes from my mechanic, and it was parked. I learned it was parked around the corner on a quiet street. But he must have thought I had something, and I did. You know, otherwise he wouldn't have used a gun to me, the knife at me, right? Okay, it happened to me twice. Wait, say your name one more time. Guy, Endo. Guy Endo. Oh, you're a very wonderful person. Now, I wear flat shoes, I don't wear no jewelry, and I watch, you know, if somebody doesn't, yeah, look around, and I don't wear no earbuds, no nothing. I don't use my cell phone when I'm out. I watch. I'm 78. I want to live to see another day, Mr. Skyler.